Hi guys, and welcome to my new mini series.
Yeah.
Sorry. You're going to probably hear my brother throughout, but here is Ratchet in his robot mode. He's up close, so he might look big, but he's actually pretty small.
Why you gotta be so rude?
And then let me turn him into car mode. Anyways, guys, here's him in car mode. Ugh.
Yeah,
I can stand him.
Oh
my god. Anyways, that's him in car mode, and then how to build him, y'all are getting ready to see. First off, you get two hinges, right? Then two 2x3 slabs, bricks, whatever you want to call them. And then you also get two 1x2 slabs.
Why you gotta be so rude? You know what you can do.
A 1x2 smooth. A stud. A 1x2 brick or slab, whatever you want to call it, with a little circular thing. That way, like, these kind of clips can hook on like that. But anyways, you need one of those. Sorry guys. Anyways, then you get your 1x1 clip. You only need one of those though. Then I don't know what the heck this is, but this is what it looks like. It can go up and down, and it has a 2x2 kind of face at the front, if you can see it. There we go. Get some light on it. Anyways, that's what it is right there. Put that back there. And then 4 cheese slopes.
Yeah. I like cheese slopes.
More like you like cheese. Sorry guys, my brother's going to be just talking through the whole video and making a lot of noise. Yeah, he's only 5. I have to live with it. Okay, and then if you need to pause it, then I'll let you. Because, well, if you want to make it, then go ahead. Be my guest.
Yeah.
Okay. So, now, let's do this. Okay. To start this off, you get one of these, right? Right? And then you take this hinge and put it on like that. Like that. And then put this right here Put it right here.
Just look at
Like that.
Just look at that.
And then on the back, put this thing, whatever it's called, you put it right here in the back. Like that. Then, time to form the chest. For your chest, you get your 1x2 bricks, slab, whatever you want to call it, and your 1x2 smooth. Put them together. Then on your big guy, on your guy, you put the chest on right here. Well, that's not all the chest, but most of the chest. You get 2 cheese slopes. Put it underneath what you just put on there. Then like that. And there's the chest. And time for the arms. Put 2 cheese slopes on them. And there is most of the guy. Turn it to the back. Put this, whatever it's called, and put it like that on the back. Then you put your 1x3 slab, put it right here, pull it back. Put your 1x1 with clip, put it on like this. Then put your stud like that, and put it on where the little I don't know what it's called, but then you pull it down like that. Bring the arms back, and then boom, there's Ratchet in its car mode. Okay, to transform it, what you're going to do is pull this whole thing up like that. Pull the arms most of the way down. Then just angle the cheese slopes a little bit, going towards the chest. That way you can get the arms a little spread out. Then, last thing you do, pull the head up. And then there you have Ratchet. Pretty cool. And when you take it off these little bricks, the bottom of it may tend to come off. It may just be mine, but you don't really have to put it down. Just kind of put it down. Just rest it on there. And there you have Ratchet. Okay, guys. It's me signing off. Bye-bye.